To enable or disable USB debugging in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. Now let's navigate into the developer options. If you cannot see them, you can open developer settings by going to the main settings page, click on about phone, and then find the detailed info and specifications. Then keep clicking on your OS version until it says that you are a developer. Now when we have it, let's go back to the developer settings right here, and then we can scroll down until we find the USB debugging. As you can see, it's right here, and you can enable or disable it. Make sure that you click on I'm aware of the possible risks, click on continue, and click on OK, and it should be active. You might as well want to restart your phone for that to happen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.